Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, we're in the chapter number 4. We have completed it. Almost we have completed it in this. Now we will try to answer these questions. So the first question is, what are the three components of map? As we have already read this, the three components of map are distance, directions, and symbols. And the second question is, what are the four coordinate directions? You have read this about in the second page. The coordinate directions are the conventional directions which are north, south, east, and west. And you can also include northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. And moving to the third question, which is what do we mean by the term scale of the map? Scale of the map means a ratio between the actual distance on the ground with the distance on the map. And the fourth one is, how are maps more helpful than a globe? You can answer this by saying a map helps us in finding directions, distance, and by looking at the symbol we can identify a particular place, whereas a globe gives a holistic and a much zoomed out version of the entire world. And now moving to the next question, distinction between map and a plan. About this, map is a representation of Earth, and whereas a plan is a representation of small place on a large sheet. Okay. Moving to the next question, which map provides detailed information? Remember that there are three types of maps. One is political map, there's another is physical map, and another is thematic map. We have read this. As you know, political map gives us the information about the earth, mountains, plates, rivers, and oceans, while the physical map gives us information about towns, villages, different boundaries of the world, and the thematic map gives us information about roads, connectivities, and rainfall map showing distribution of forests. So the answer is physical map, which gives the detailed information. Moving to the next question, how do symbols help in reading maps? This is the last question. Yes, symbols are an important part of map. They give lot of information in a limited space. With the help of symbol, maps can be drawn easily and are simple to read. These are the symbols help us in reading the maps. Moving to the next question, let's take the correct answers. Map showing distribution of forests are physical maps, thematic maps, and political maps. The distribution of forests in the physical maps, we have read that it shows the distribution of mountains, plains, rivers, and the answer is thematic maps, which gives the distribution of forests. The blue color is used for showing that that's water bodies. A compass is used to show symbols, to find the directions, to measure the distance. The compass is not used to show the symbols, not to show the distance, but to find the main direction. A scale is not necessary for a sketch, nor not is necessary for a symbol. It is necessary for a map. So this we completed the whole chapter, and inshallah in the next video we will try to move in the second and the next chapter number 5, major dominance of the earth. Till then, goodbye.